Okay, looking at this word problem, so it says Mrs. Smith took her bird to the vet. Tweety weighed 1 3/10 of a pound. The vet, or 1 3/10 pounds. The vet said that Tweety weighed 4/10 pounds more last year. How much did Tweety weigh last year? So when you are first looking at this fraction right here, the work that I saw that you did, you subtracted the 3/10 from the 1/2. You actually are going to have to add these two things together. So how you would do that is I saw that you recognize that that 1 is the same thing as 10/10, but you have to add the other 3/10. You don't want to subtract it because this is all part of the same fraction. So we do 10/10 plus 3/10. And then right now you have 13/10. So we know that 13/10 is the same as 1 3/10. And then it said the vet said that Tweety weighed 4/10 pounds more last year. So if it was more last year, then we are going to add on to this fraction. So you will do 13/10. Then you're going to add 4/10. Okay, and then you'll see what you get. It doesn't say that you have to put it back into a mixed number, so if you leave it as a improper fraction today, that's totally fine. So see if this helps you on this first problem, and then see if you can do the second one on your own. If it still doesn't make sense, let me know and I can send you another video.